Good morning, students. Last class I told proofs of two trigonometric identities, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. At the same time, I have given proof for one more trigonometric identity, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Today also we are going to giving proof for one more trigonometric identity, that is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. After completion of this proof, next I'll tell you different types of formulas on all these three identities. One trigonometric function can be written as in terms of other trigonometric functions. How we are writing about this statement after completion of all these three identities. Afterwards I'll give different types of formulas of trigonometric functions with respect to all these three trigonometric identities. We last yesterday two identities ಹೇಳಿನಿ, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 ಮತ್ತು secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. ಈ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೆ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನಿ. ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೂರನೇ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಕೊಸೆಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಸೆಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮೈನಸ್ cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. And proof for this is, let us now we are going to giving proof to this trigonometric identity. Proof here. One is collected that all these one right angle triangle here is right angle triangle. ABC is the right angle triangle here. AC is the HYP. That is the HYP nothing but the hypotenuse. BC is the ADZ. ADZ nothing but the adjacent. AB is the opposite. AB nothing but the opposite. And here I have taken, let's say, angle theta is an acute angle here. Now consider left hand side parts. Consider LHS part, left hand side part. LHS is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. You have to prove. Consider left hand side part is here cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. That is equal to here cosecant formula is hypotenuse by opposite. That is the AC whole divided by AB whole square. Square as is there minus cot theta formula adjacent by opposite, that is the BC by AB whole square. BC whole divided by AB whole square. And afterwards distribute the power to both numerator and denominator like this. AC square, AC whole square whole divided by AB square minus BC whole square whole divided by AB square. Now for these two fractions denominator is same. That's what directly we can draw it like this. At the same time we are going to apply this application of right angle triangle method. After completion of that, next we will start here is equal to denominator is same, that is the AB whole square, and numerator part is what is the numerator part here? AC whole square minus BC whole square. BC whole square here. For that numerator part, what we should write now? About that we are thinking. In numerator ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದ್ದ ನಾವು ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಫ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ hypotenuse square is from right angle triangle means we can write h by b whole square is equal to opposite whole square plus adjacent whole square. Hypotenuse means AC whole square is equal to opposite means AB whole square plus adjacent means BC whole square. Set BC square this side. Then we can write AC whole square minus BC whole square is equal to AB whole square. It is the one method. Or we can write like this also here. AB whole square is equal to AC whole square minus BC whole square. We can use any one formula. Instead of AC minus BC square, you want to put AB square, directly we can put in place of numerator AB whole square. If you want to put in place of AB square, you can put AC whole square minus BC whole square also. You can use any one formula between these two. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ AC ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ BC ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ AB ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಥವಾ AB ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ AC ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ BC ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Between these two, any one formula I have to apply here. See here, after writing these two formulas, instead of numerator, I am going to write it here AB square whole divided by, as this I am going to write in denominator parts, and now both are gets cancel here. Is equal to 1. That is equal to right hand side parts. Therefore, we can write here cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Or we can write cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Or one more formula also we can write here. Cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Like that, we'll see different types of formulas. This is the third identity in trigonometry functions. We proved here cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. And yesterday also I gave proof. There are two proofs. One is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Another one is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. To all these three proofs, just we applied only concept of right angle triangle method. Without the concept of right angle triangle, we can't give proof to all these three identities of trigonometric functions. Firstly, I told when I started trigonometry, at the time only I told whole chapter is depending upon only right angle triangle. Without know the concept of right angle triangle, we can't define all trigonometry functions. If you want to give definition, if you want to get any value of trigonometry function, must and should we have to apply concept of a right angle triangle. Concept of right angle triangle means here we have to apply statement of Pythagoras theorem. Like that, all these three trigonometric identities depending upon this the concept of right angle triangle. ಈಗ ಈ ಮೂರು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ನೆನಪು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಈ ಮೂರು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ಆದರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೇನು ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೇನು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ. Next, I'll tell you different types of formulas. Already I told also, a function can be written as in other functions how. How many number of formulas will get. About that now we are thinking. First one is first form is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this how many number of formulas we get? About this now we are going to thinking. First number 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 here. Sin cos to that side becomes sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Number 2, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus means sin theta is equal to, otherwise sin theta is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Generally we are getting plus or minus here, and afterwards which is plus and which is minus according to theta line which coordinates will get. But just formula means just we need only plus enough. Next one is here from this third formula sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta is there. We can write here sin square theta is equal to 1 can be written as 1 square minus cos square theta, or sin square theta is equal to right hand side parts 1 is in the form of a square minus b square, that is 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Similarly, in the same way, here also for cos in terms of sin, this type of formulas you get. About that now we are going to writing here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Send sin that side. First the formula becomes cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Second one is cos theta is equal to here, cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Third one is cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. From this we will get some more formulas. Cos square theta is equal to 1 square minus sin square theta. That is the cos theta is equal to, it is in the form of a square minus b square formulas. A square minus B square is the A minus B into A plus B. That is the 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Like that, we are writing for sine in terms of cos formulas like this. It is the one formula, and it is another formula. Last one is in terms of sine. Here I apply some auxiliary formulas here. Here also it is the one formula. The main important formula is this, which is important. I kept in box. I kept in box here. Important, which are that. Next, from second identity, which type formulas will get about that now we are thinking here. One is, second one is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. To this, how many number of formulas will get at the same time? For secant, which type of formulas will come in terms of tan? For tan, in terms of secant, which type of formulas will get there? About this now we are going to discussing. First one is secant square theta. On this, number 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 here. Then second formula, same tan that side. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Third, secant theta is equal to what we can write here, square root of 1 plus tan square theta. And one more. For tan, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 here. Number 1 formula, send tan that side, it becomes, send 1 this side, it becomes here secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Or we can write tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Because all these are all very important formulas. That's what we are keeping under boxes. Second, or tan theta is equal to, we can write square root of secant square theta minus 1. Next one is, even we can write third formula also for this. Terms you can collect here. Tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. That is the tan square theta is equal to, we can write secant square theta minus 1 square. It is now in the form of A minus B into A plus B formation. That is tan square theta is equal to A minus B into A plus B. That is the secant theta minus 1 into secant theta plus 1. Like that, we have written in terms of secant for tan. It is also one of the formula of tan theta is equal to square root of secant square theta minus 1. Number 1 formula is secant square theta minus tan square is equal to 1. From that, for secant, which type of formulas will get? Secant square is equal to, if we can send minus tan that side, 1 plus tan square. Or secant theta is equal to, if we can send square that side, it becomes a square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Even one side, at the same time, take this identity, that is secant square theta minus tan square is equal to 1. Send 1 this side and send minus tan square that side plus tan square. And tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. It is one formula for tan in terms of secant. For tan in terms of secant, tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. At the same time, tan theta is equal to sin square that side becomes square root of secant square theta minus 1. Next, collect the same formula here. From that formula, one more formula you will get. That is tan square theta is equal to secant theta minus 1 into secant theta plus 1. Because it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b formation. Like that, we have different types of formulas for the identity secant square theta minus tan square is equal to 1. For this only, two more formulas are there. I will tell you about those two also. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is very important formula. Next, third type formula. First type and second type is our third type. It is in the form of a square minus b square. That is consider secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. It is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a minus b to a plus b. This formula here we have to apply. Left hand side part again, a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b form maturity. Hagagile a minus b secant theta minus tan theta into secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 here. From this, it is the first formula. And the second formula, send secant theta plus tan that side. Secant theta minus tan theta can be written as 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. It is also one formula for this. Third, or if we can send that side, then one more formula you will get secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. One by secant theta plus tan theta can be written as secant theta minus tan theta, or 1 by secant theta minus tan theta can be written as secant theta plus tan theta. Because like that, if you can learn formulas means that will become very useful to solve some difficult problems in trigonometry. That's what I am giving more formulas. How we are getting more formulas means to convert one trigonometry function can be written as in other trigonometry functions how according to their identities. For that only I am giving more formulas here. Even in case of sin square theta plus cos square is equal to 1, in that case also for sin which type of formulas in terms of cos, for cos which type of formulas will come in sin, like that we discussed and I told also. Now I told about second identity, secant square minus tan square theta is equal to 1. For secant, which type of formulas will come in terms of tan? For tan, which terms of formulas will come in terms of secant? Both, what is the relationship between secant and tan? Like that, if we can express formulas, this much of formulas will get here. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. These are the very important formulas with respect to second identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Similarly, in the same way, which type of formulas will get in third identity also here? In third identity, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1 cube. From this, how many number of formulas will get? First one is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Second formula, send minus cot square that side. Cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. How we are getting means by converting, by sending minus cot square theta to that side, then it becomes 1 plus cot square theta. Third one is, or we can write cosecant theta is equal to square root of 1 plus cot square theta. Actually here plus or minus will come when you are going to solve the problems at the time. We need plus or minus. Just we are discussing about the formula, no need of plus or minus here. Actually plus or minus but formulas ಬಗ್ಗೆ discuss ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಲ್ವಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, here also these three are formulas for cosecant in terms of cots. These three are formulas for cosecant in terms of cots. Now cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. First formula, send 1 this side and send minus cot square that side, it becomes cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Or we can write cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Dots. Cot theta is equal to, we can write here, square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. Quotes, they're all like that. We are writing different types of formulas with the help of all trigonometric identities. Now cot square theta, collect this second formula. From that second formula we'll take or we'll get one more formula also here, this one, that is cot square theta is equal to, we can write cosecant square theta minus 1 can be written as 1 square, or cot theta is equal to square root, cot theta is equal to cot square theta is equal to, we can write a minus b into a plus b, cosecant theta minus 1 into cosecant theta plus 1. Like that we are writing formulas. These are all the important formulas. This is also one formula. Here also formulas. Those three are very important. I told this. But what is the relation between cosecant and cot here? We'll discuss about that also here. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1 here. A plus b into A is the third formula, very important third formula in this. First part, here I have the second part, next one is the third part type formulas. A square minus b square, it is the A minus b into A plus b like this. First formula, cosecant theta minus cot theta into cosecant theta plus cos theta is equal to 1 because I collected this by applying this algebraic formula. A square minus b square is equal to A minus b into A plus b. From that, idu ಒಂದು algebraic formula A square minus b square is equal to A minus b into A plus b formula apply ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಿಂದ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಸ್ cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta plus cot theta. Or we can write third formula is cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta minus cot theta. Like that we are giving relationships between cosecant and cot like this. Cosecant and cot. Whenever if you can see cosecant theta minus cot theta, in place of that you can write cosecant plus cot. Cosecant theta plus cot can be written as 1 by cosecant theta minus cot theta. Or 1 by cosecant theta minus cot theta, we can write cosecant theta plus tan theta. Because like that if you can learn formulas means, then definitely trigonometry will become very easy to you. Simply if you can take direct formula means, from that formula how many formulas will come. That is the very important case of trigonometry. Generally whole trigonometry depending upon only formulas, and afterwards you can easily, you are going to learning about shortcuts very easily. Without knowing formulas, how can you get the shortcuts? That's what whenever in anywhere in case of trigonometry means, formulas are very important. After learning formulas like this, automatically shortcuts will come to you. Sure, no problem. Like that today I discussed about, at the same time I told about all types of formulas from all the three trigonometric identities. The next class onwards we'll solve some problems on all these three identities. General formulas and simple formulas firstly I started simple problems, and afterwards we'll start allied angles and which quadrant which are positive, which are negative. We'll discuss about that also. But starting time, next class, that is from tomorrow onwards, just I'll start very simple problems on trigonometric identities. At the same time with including all types of trigonometric functions. Okay, thank you very much.